We hear the call, you know it's time to go. Human machines, automatic souls. We run and run, and when everybody runs out, we stand up, won't back down. We're on the front lines. We're on the front lines. We're on the front lines.
Welcome to Playlist Cafe, the venue of our celebration for tonight. Today we gather here to celebrate a significant milestone in the life of someone dear to us all.
We will all be born again when the winter days.
Happy 18th birthday. Ito yung pinakakaantay natin. 18th birthday. Wish ko sa iyo, Nak, ay matupad mo ang lahat ng pangarap mo, yung gusto mo sa buhay. Alam ko kayang-kaya mo yan.
Deserve ka for this moment. Enjoy the day and happy birthday.
We are beautiful. We are beautiful. We are beautiful. Oh, I had a dream last night.
Happy 18th birthday, Chay!
May all your dreams come true and stay sweet always.
Wish ko sa iyo, sana makapagtapos ka sa iyong pag-aaral. Be a good girl. God bless.
Inside, we will all be born again. We are beautiful. 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 We are beautiful.
Sana may manligaw na sa'yo. Yun, sana may enjoy mo tong gabi na to. Mag-enjoy ka lang, tsaka tapusin mo yung pag-aaral mo. Masaya na kami dun. Sa akin, nag-iisang kapatid dyan. Happy birthday sa'yo. Yun lang, yung wish lahat, nasabi na nila mama, goods na yun.
In time, we will all be born again. We are beautiful. 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 We are beautiful.